Hello guys, so this is what we are doing today. We are going to be doing this crochet singles, which is not easy, and I must tell you this is the most difficult part of this hair, to fit the hair, the braided hair, into the extension itself, to make it look smooth and the singles that is supposed to be. If you are able to do what I'm doing now, then it's easy for you to do this kind of hair. So what we do, we divide the hair into different portions according to the number and the size that you want, and braid the hair separately from bottom to top. So we braid all of the hair into different portions, just like what we have here. Look at that, all of the hair braided however you want it, what sizes, what shapes you want, and that is it. Then we move over to feeding the extension, and like I said, this is the most difficult part of it, to be able to fit this braided hair into the extension itself. So look keenly and see what I am doing. I want you to learn how to do this first, because putting the extension from the roots is really very easy. I guess everyone knows how to do it, but even if you do not know, we are going to be doing it subsequently. So when you hook it like that, then you'll be able to bring it through within the extension. So that is what we are doing from the roots, seeing how we can fit that braided hair right across. And of course, you know that before you put in your pin, your crocheting pin, you should open the head before you start sending it through, like that. Exactly, you open that head, then you can be able to fit it through the extension. And you have to take this right down to where the hair is. Then you hook the hair, you close the head of the pin, and you bring it out. You might want to send the pin right from the top, but it is not very easy, so it is advisable to reduce the distances. And because the hair was long, it's not very easy to bring it out. I had to do it like 4 or 5 times. So I actually took at least 2 minutes in each of this hair to be able to fit this hair in one crochet extension. So doing all of this hair took me like 4 hours before I could finish it. So now that you know how to fit the hair, we all are reminding ourselves of how we do the extension from the bottom or from the root. So if you put that through, you hold both the hair and the extension and you pass it across to the other side, so you can be able to knot it together like what we have here. That's simple, right? And then we go over again. We fit in our needle with the open head right to the part where the braided hair is. This time we are doing it from scratch. So you do that, you hook it, and you bring it out. And because the sizes of the extension is not that big, when the hair goes into it, it almost distorts the form of that extension. So you need some time to use your fingers to be able to rearrange like that the orientation of the extension, so it looks exactly the way it was. So I'm doing it over and over again so you can be able to assimilate. My nails are not very good, I am very aware of that, but do not bother about that. Just concentrate on what I'm showing you now. So that is it, over and over again so you can understand. And you have to keep doing that until you are able to fit all of that hair, the whole length of that hair. If the hair is short, it's easier because you will do it just once or twice and the hair will be in the extension. But because this hair was really long, I had to do it at least 4, 5 or even 6 times to be able to fit the hair within the extension. I bet you it is not easy. I didn't want to rush with this video because I wanted you to be able to see exactly what I'm doing. There are some portions I would have cut and taken them out, but I'm leaving everything so you can understand. And remember, you must have to fit everything in. You don't want to leave part of the hair exposed. So this is how far we've gone with the hair. We are almost getting to the end. What we need is more patience to take us to the end of this hairstyle. I hope you are understanding. Let's do it one more time and fit the extension to remind ourselves. Then we see how the whole hair looks like. It's not easy, but I know whoever is interested will take all her time to be able to follow the video right till the end, so as to understand properly what to do and how to do it. Do not forget to share this video to your friends, to your families, so they too can subscribe. And this is the finished product of the hair, and that is how it looks. We've not done the front part, the edges and all of that. We just leave the hair the way it is, looking so natural. And I guess she loves it. If you love it yourself, do not hesitate to give a thumbs up to this video. See you again. Bye bye.